Hi, this get is called number of people in the bus. What we have to create is a function that takes a nested list as an argument. On the left-hand side, we have the people that are on the bus at a particular bus stop. And on the right-hand side, we have the people that get off the bus at the bus stop. And what we have to calculate is how many passengers there are still in the bus at the end of the ride. Let's get it started. 4 passengers in bus stops. And let's print the passengers. Here we have both the passengers that are on the bus and the passengers that get off the bus at the bus stop. How can we separate it from each other? Well, as follows. The people that get on the bus can be accessed via index 0, that's this index. And the passengers that get off the bus can be accessed through index 1. Let's print it out. And there you have it. And what we basically have to do now is to subtract the number of people that get off the bus from the people that get on the bus and return the end result, because that are the passengers that are still on the bus at the end of the ride. Let's assign a new variable, passengers, or where the set result is equal to 0. And at every iteration, we should add up the subtraction from the passengers that get on the bus and the passengers that get off the bus. So let's return the result. 21 works like it should. This one, 17. Also the desired answer. Can we put this in one line? Well, yeah, of course. For that, we can use list comprehension. So return empty list, passengers, for passengers, and bus stops. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, but we have to subtract the passengers that get off the bus from the passengers that get on the bus. Yeah, and from here we can use the built-in function sum. Takes the entire list as the argument, and that will return the same answer. So let's take this and test it out. Attempt. Works like a charm. Hope this has been helpful and useful. Please consider dropping a like, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.